Chairman, I'm pleased to yield 1 minute to a colleague on the Armed Services Committee who's also Vice Chair of the Subcommittee on Readiness, the gentlelady from New York, Ms. Stefanik.
Gentlelady from New York is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. While I will support this en bloc package, I stand in opposition to the provision to delay the transfer of Apaches from the National Guard to the active Army. In committee, Chairman Wilson and I worked very closely to authorize a congressional review no less than 60 days following the Commission's report release. Mr. Palazzo's provision would scratch this and limit our review time. More importantly, this amendment would have devastating impacts on the Army's combat aviation brigades and on states like New York, Kansas, Hawaii, Arizona, and California. As the representative of Fort Drum, home of the 10th Mountain Division, any delay would cause this high operational tempo unit to be left without an aviation brigade. Let me be clear, any Apache delay will have grave consequences on Army's readiness, deployment schedule, and dwell time. And to clarify, in exchange for the Apache, the National Guard is set to receive fully modernized Black Hawks. However, derailing, delaying, or limiting Apache transfers would halt Black Hawk modernization and would consequently inhibit lift and rescue operations, which are critical to a state's emergency response. Mr. Chairman, while I will not vote against this package, I will continue to fight for an on-time transfer of the Apaches from the National Guard to the Army. And with that, I yield back.
Gentlelady's